Now let's look at running a local API gateway using the SAM command line tool. We have a simple application here called Shouter. If we look at its template, it looks very much like the templates we've seen before. There's a single resource named Shouter function. It's a serverless function, so a Lambda. The code is in a directory called Shouter. The entry point is the module app and the method Lambda handler. It uses a Python 3.7 runtime. And it's evoked by a API gateway event from the endpoint shout. And then this is a little different. Notice that we have here shout me in brackets. That indicates that it's a path parameter, and it's on a get method. Let's look at the app itself. So it's in the Shouter directory. Here it is, a simple one method Lambda. Lambda handler takes an event and context. Here, that path parameter, shout me, is taken from the event path parameters and assigned to a variable. And then it's simply cast to uppercase and returned. And that's what this whole Lambda does. To run a Lambda locally using its own API gateway, we use SAM local start API. So this starts a local version of the API running, and you can see it gives you the URL that the endpoint should be served from. So we can try to curl this URL. And we can see it's returned our message capitalized. So this is a really useful thing for development. You can go in and run your code locally. And if we open our app, we can actually go in and change the code. Let's add some more exclamation points. Now we change this code. We go back and look, and we can see that if we hit the endpoint again, the endpoint responds with our changed code. So we don't need to stop the API server. When we change code, it's automatically picked up. This is a really great way to develop your Lambdas and code locally. You can iterate with and see the results without having to restart the server or worry about deploying before you know how it works.